it's a CodersTrust demo day today, so we are planning to broadcast our everything. So like our platform and something are done by Geo, something by Nozru, something Maruf, and I also did something for our new web pages in Unbound web pages. And Imtiaz and his team is working on platform 2. Mahbub and Afanur are working on Android. So everyone. Uh, everyone is gonna present their part through the hangout, and those who are joining us as a viewer, so please go to our Slack common area. There you will find a YouTube link, so you can join there. You can join through that link as a viewer, and for our presenter I already sent them the link. So guys, when your part will come, so go to the screen share and share your screen and show your demo or whatever else you want to share. So let's enjoy the show, baby. Now start. So at first, let's start from my part. So actually, from last couple of weeks, I was working with the CodersTrust Unbound pages in here. So let's check on that. So if you go to the CodersTrust.com, then you will redirect you to the bd.coderstrust.com. So it's the temporary because we are planning a big things, planning some big things. That is the when and you are going to CodersTrust.com from Bangladesh, it will turn you into the bd.coderstrust.com. But if you go to the India, then it will turn you into the in.coderstrust.com, something like that. For our every countries, it will be like that. So now we are in bd.coderstrust.com. So in here, all these are static and unbound pages. So guys, if you think about that, your iPhone 6 is not showing. Okay, I'm sharing the entire screen. Okay, your iPhone 6 is not showing. Okay, sharing the entire screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Yes. Yes. Okay. So it's a new website. It's actually made in unbound pages. It's all are static. Everything is static here. So it's a good thing so far because we have an website and everything is here, and everything is made by us. Our mentor team did a lot of things here. So also the designers team, they gave us the design, then mentor team make it live, so by through unbounce. And here as a fast view, Ferdinand wanted to do that as a first time. When someone visited in CodersTrust.com, they can take a good understanding about us, what we are doing here, what can and we do for them, and our the learning process, what is our online learning, everything. So we are trying to cover everything throughout this website. So so far we able to do not the 100% task. Suppose 80% or 90% things we are able to meet up to these websites. So suppose a lot of options for you. So suppose under the learn, you will get the online and the classroom options. So in online, and in online it will take you to how our free online class going on, how you can enroll here, what courses we are offering so far, and who are our mentors. And also we have the student testimonials here, so you can go through with that. And the interesting part is we already launched our online, international and Bangladesh online support center. So yeah, international off center. So you can get one-to-one mentor support within one click. We are just one click away from you. So if you click here for mentor support, then this page, a new page will come in front of you, and you can just get a mentor support by clicking here. So if I click here for join now, then and you will get I'll get a mentor support. It will turn me to another hangout. uh, so it will take time. So if I go to this that session, then the maybe this session will be hampered. So but you can join from here, or you can test that. and also for the squiggle, and below you can email us. We will be here from every day 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you can knock us in Slack, Skype, Squiggle, Facebook, Hangout, whatever else you want. So we are trying to serve our students. In future, we will serve them 24 into 7. But so far, we are serving our students from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. And every day we are solving a lot of problems, lot of issues regarding to their studies, regarding the new admissions, their also their bidding, freelancing, everything. So that's the online, that's the mentor support, and this one is the live classes. So here in Dhaka we are launching live classes in every Monday to Thursday nights, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is the basic web development part, and with that basic web development part, we are actually structured these live classes in 3 stages. So first day, if someone take the first class as a web development class, then second day he or she will take a class of freelancing part 1, then the next day he will take the freelancing part 2. So that is the way we are structuring. Actually, this is the free sessions, and we are trying to do some marketing for our for CodersTrust. So and also we are getting good response from students that after joining our demo first class, then freelancing part 1, they are doing sign up in our platform, and some of them are already they have already enrolled in our online batches. So it's a very good say. And so from this demo session, we already got 1126 students. They are watching our live session every day, and from them we have already enrolled 9 students in our online batches. And for first and second class, students are coming every day, new students are coming. And if you click some of links from here, join class, it will take you to the crowdcast. So from the crowdcast, you will able to see the old videos, what our mentor are doing here, what they are teaching. So we already made some fantastic planning for these things. So this is the today's class time. So today's class gonna start within 7 hours 20 minutes. So during those web development class, our mentors are also doing some marketing things, like how to join CodersTrust, why you have to join CodersTrust, what's the benefits of joining CodersTrust, etc., etc. So they are pushing students through our system or our platform, so we can get more students, we can get more sign up, we can get more enrollment. So that's not the main target for these free sessions. So far there's the live classes and mentor support. So you can register now from these things, and you can enjoy every free things from us. So and the earning part, we have the trust score, we have the earning leaderboard, we have the bidding leaderboard. So from the trust score part, it's the fantastic things. So to join CodersTrust and doing our session, doing our classes, everything. So from everything you can earn a score, and it will calculate from bidding projects to everything. So it's all, everything is related with the different points. So you can earn point through this system, and you can make your trust score better and better. So and after that we can evaluate the, yes, these students have good trust score, so we can trust him, and we can finance his or her studies, laptop, living expense, everything. And we can offer them some things special, so they can join our course and they can learn better things. So that's our the plan. So everything is described in this landing page, and it's also a static page and made by our mentor team. It's also an unbound page. And here is the earning leaderboard. It's also statics, no dynamic data is here. So our students earning their Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook, LinkedIn profile, everything is here as the top 10 students. Those are earning well, and all. This is not the end. Beside this 10, we have more than 50, 100, 50, 60 students. They are earning, and they are doing their job beautifully. And the interesting part is the bidding leaderboard. That's the thing when the Ferdinand was here last time. So then we introduced the new things, the bidding competition. So the bidding competition, here is the in bidding leaderboard page, you will able to see the winners of those bidding competitions. So in bidding competitions is the actually thing is like that. Let me describe. There is the we have our job scout. So he is going to post a job that are selected from Upworks that are suitable for our students. So he's gonna posted those job in our Slack or in our Slack special channel. So our students are going to bid from there, and so every day we calculated our posting jobs. So bid on projects, then the win projects, then the total earning, then the other active students, those who are actively bidding job and earning money from the Upwork and from the other marketplaces. So far we have posted job for from the last week. That is the 264 jobs have been posted by our job scout, and bidding on project is 402. So our students are posting and their bidding projects in Facebook group, so we can choose the who is the top bidder, and after that we can put his name as a top first, then consecutively second, third in this bidding leaderboard page. So and win project is 18 from the last week, and the total earning is $203. So and our active student is 39. So 39 students are actively bidding on some projects. So every day they are bidding on some projects or winning some projects, or they are finishing some projects. So so far it's good. So they are doing very well. And also we have students from our UNDP projects, so they are doing their job beautifully. They are bidding projects every day, they are earning. And here we are we are seeing a name is Aklima Akhtar. So he's our one of UNDP talent. So he's the last week winners by number of bidding. He is the one of the winner in our bidding competition. So we'll arrange a party for them, and we'll give their gifts. So as we promised, we'll give them the smartphones and whatever else we have. We have some plan for that. And for the finance part, we have finance for your laptop, finance for your studies, and the living expenses. So a lot of things are here. So finance for laptop is the actual thing is the students who are not able to support a laptop for their studies. So if such kinds of students join with us, and they have the good trust score, and they are if they performing well, so then we can offer them a laptop or through the Bitroy. So through the Bitroy they can and get a laptop, and they can buy that from there taking loan from us. So same thing is happening for their course and their living expense. So okay, and the about in about page, yes, it's also an unbound page, and it's made by us. So here is the everything is there. It's not finished yet. Uh, yeah, it's all about us, all about CodersTrust. So very soon it will be finished, and it's almost most of the pages are here in under construction. So nothing is fixed. So as far Ferdinand said on last week that guys try to go through our website and suggest where we can change and where we can put the things that it could be better or it could be more attractive. So then suggest us, then we can change that. Just I also shared a doc in Google spreadsheet in common area, so you can write there. So from that we can make changes in our website. And the last thing is that the login and the sign up, the as usual from the previous platform. So if you click here, it will redirect you to our previous platform. And the final part is that the thing is live chat. So we have live chat in our every pages. So from the live chat you can get the instant mentor support from our online support center. So in every pages we have the live chat. So if you need anything, if you need anything, so just click on live chat, fill the form, and ask your question. Our mentors are here for you, for supporting you guys. So if you have any queries, so you can come through the live chat through these things. And every page is and we are in backend, the thing from Unbounce, we are doing that the every page are generating leads, so we are giving follow-up those, and Priyam is here, our communication guy. He is the giving follow-up those students or those followers who are joining us through, and we are getting their emails, names, phone number, etc., etc., through those leads, and we are giving follow-up every day. We are trying to move them in our main platform, in our system, so we are trying to create more sign up for CodersTrust, and we are trying to create more batches as well as more students. So thank you guys. That was my part, and that was the web page so far we have. So now I am turning into the Maruf. So Maruf will show you guys on your part. So thank you.
Hello everyone. Can you hear me? I think everyone is everything.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So let's start. So I have shared my screen.
Yes.
Maybe everyone can show view my screen. So here is the student profile. Uh, in last few weeks we have integrated all the functionalities into profile that student can communicate with the online operation team from their profile, and they can use all the functionalities from their profile. They do not need to go to any other platform. So here you can see in the right corner we have a chat option, so a student can directly contact with our online operation team through this live chat form. And there is also live class link and FAQ link. So and also on help link in the top of the website inside a green bar. So if any student can want to talk with mentor directly, they can click here, and they will go to a hangout session, and they can talk with the mentor directly. And also they can join into crowdcast live class from this link. Uh, and there is two new functionality, that is job feed and success stories. So now I will show the job feed. So from this page, a student can search job feed from different freelancing portals. So from Upwork, Truelancer, Guru, and Freelancer, or also different kind of freelancing portals. We are aggregating all the jobs to these job feed pages, and you can view the job description from here, and you can send proposal right from here. So if you click to send proposal, it will go to the freelancing portal, and you can use your account to bid on this project. Also there is some kind of filters. You can filter by deselecting the skills from this page. But if you want to see only the job from a specific skill, then go to wall jobs tab and write the skill here, suppose HTML. So if you write HTML and select HTML, so it will load all the jobs from that specific skills. And then I will show you the success stories. So here is the success stories that is built for uh, actually for the online for the bidding competition. So it is the automation part of the bidding competition. When a student have any success stories like he bid or win a project, he can submit from this using this form. So suppose bid, and this is a description, and just one picture and submit. So this will show here, and other students will be also will be also view others success stories from these pages. And in backend we are calculating their success stories, so every week it will be automatically calculated the winners of the bidding competition and also the winning jobs. And uh, this is the so there is some other new functionalities also right now. Students can connect their Payoneer using this button, and also they can connect their Upwork. So already Rifat created another video to how to connect their Payoneer and Upwork account to their profile, so I'll not describe in detail, but there is the functionality. And also there is a learning portal connections. This is for the online courses, so students can connect their Code Academy, Code School, Udacity and Udemy accounts. So they can click here and it will come up in a form, and they can connect their credentials, so we can track their progress of learning. So here in Learning Center, I can show you there is a one, online courses. There are some free courses and also some paid courses. And in I can show you one course that is advanced web development course, and this is provided by Code School. This is paid course, so you need to create a CodersTrust email and you need to pay using this link. So when you will click to this link, it will go to another page where you can contact with mentor, and also you can pay, and then you will have all the access of these links. And for the free course, you can click to the course and create city email, and immediately will get access of all of these links. And this is all about the profile and learning center. And now I want to show the totally new application that is we make live in this week. So for the members of CodersTrust, this is I done this replica, so we can use this application for our internal task purpose. So um, I think most of the members already received the invitation from PM. So PM send all the invitation to join this application. So please create account to done.coderstrust.com. If you have not received any invitation yet, so contact with your team leader. He can send the invitation to you. So when you will sign up here, you will receive all the instructions how to use. So if you have not received the confirmation instruction after sign up, so please use this feature to receive confirmation instruction again, and then log into and done application. So this is all your teams. If where you are subscribed, your team leader can include in you in the team. So when you will go to the team view, you will see all the members their dance, maybe their goals also, and you can use this site as like I done this, so you can create your task. So this task and done. So you can comment, you can like to the task, and you can change the dates to see the task of other days. And also you can change the team here if you have multiple teams. There is a setting button. You can go to setting button and you can change your time zone. If you fly from Dhaka to India or Kenya or any other country, just change your time zone, because time zone is very important, because it will our other features like reminder and digest and goal carry forward to next days. These features are dependent on time zone. So if you make up to date the time zone, it will be better for the application. And also you can change the picture, you can change your password, and if you do not like this application, you can leave this application by using cancel my account. And that's all here. And also you can select on any user, like if I want to see only her task, then I can click on her name and it will show her all the tasks from previous days to till the today. and and also you can deselect from this members button, and it will come all the members again. And there is a tab, members tab. Here you can see all the members and who is admin, and also if you are admin, then you can invite other members from this form. So just write the username of the CodersTrust email and invite him or her, so it will add him to this team. So that's it for now. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, Maruf. So next part will be turned into the Imtiaz or his team. Uh, can you guys are hearing to us? Hello? No, 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 no. We can't hear you. Can you hear? Imtiaz? Hi guys, we can hear you. If you have some technical problems, then you can switch the teams. Suppose Mahbub or Afanur, you can join, or Nazrul, you can do your part. So Imtiaz can join later. You can do that because everyone is waiting here.
Yeah, Rajesh, I can start my part.
Yes, yes, that's great. Okay, so you can start. Nazrul bhai is talking. Is okay, Nazrul bhai, you can start.
Yeah. So hello everyone. So I'm basically working in this week two tasks. One is the finance dashboard for CodersTrust, and another for what we can do for student due list who already have some due for their subscription. Let me share my screen. So this is the admin panel where we, so if everyone can see my screen. Okay. So there's the subscription due list in the admin panel. If you
No,
click
no,
on
no,
this
no.
link.
Yes. Now we can get your screen.
Okay. Okay. So I am in admin panel, and you can see a link in subscription due list. If you click on this link, you can see who.
আপনি আপনার পেছনে বসে।
Okay. So if you click in subscription due list, then you can see all of the students that already have due their subscription. Then we are planning to send email notification for this student before 7 days of their subscription due list. If a student have in their installment, the installment duration will be in 1 month, and we will notify the student before the 7 days of this installment due date. Then here we show the student in their email address, and student base, course, education model, course fee, paid amount, how many due amount, and what is the due date of this student. And before the before 7 days of their due date, we have sent an email notification, and we track the time when we send the email notification to this user, to this student. We send a email like this to student: their subscription will be over within 7 days. Please pay your next installment within due date. Then if a student want to pay directly through our system, then he can log into this button in our CodersTrust, and then pay directly from their profile actually. So this is actually done, and also there is some financial statistic of student subscription, that what is the current paid amount we already get, and what is the due amount already for the other student. And this is the first part, and the second part is finance dashboard. So we are planning to get the financial data from our QuickBook online API. So I have not get all of the data from QuickBook online API, but I got some data, and these are not enough for to show the financial dashboard. So why I asked Mijan Bhai to get the QuickBook data as a Excel format, and I upload to this data in our CodersTrust system and show our dashboard. So I am importing a QuickBook data from that I got from Mijan Bhai. So this is our financial dashboard. So here we show the revenue report from January 15 to December 15. Here's the student course fee of student, how we get from the student course fee, security deposit, UIE student course fee, UNDP project, how we get from this project, and this is the revenue report actually, January to December 2050, and this is the actual our financial report, how we get paid, and what is the our expense, what is operational cost, and what is the total revenue, and what is the net income. It's actually in here, the net income, total revenue, and total expense and operational cost. This is the 1 year report of finance dashboard, and we can also import another report for this January to February. So this is the revenue report for January 1 to February 9. This all of the data that I got from Mijan Bhai, and next time this data will directly show into our QuickBook Online. And I already completed the API and got the data, but we have not got all of the data. And this financial dashboard will complete it in next week, and I can also live it to our next week. So that's it. That's all from me, and that's it.
Okay, thank you, Imtiaz. So let's move on some other team. Thank you, Nazrul bhai. So let's move on some other team who is ready. Imtiaz bhai, are you ready, or Mahbub bhai? Who wants to do
I
first?
am ready. I can.
Okay. So Mahbub bhai, carry on your part. So we are going to stop. And Imtiaz bhai, please prepare yourself. Okay.
Okay. I am sharing my screenshot. Can you see the screen? Hello.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I have to clear a thing. It is emulator, so many animation will not show properly in emulator. So it can be slacking. So I'm carrying my pad. This is the app home screen. For is multiple page there you can slide through, and it is not showing properly the animation because of the emulator. It will work perfect in phone. Uh, so here is two button. Is start now. Start now is basically the registration part and login the login part. Once it's only showing once user not login or not register, but after login this will not show next time. So if we click on start button, it show the this page, and after we can sign up with Facebook or sign up with email or phone. Our already account we can going to sign up page directly from here. So if we can start now, if we click on sign up with email, the sign up page are showing. So it is the sign up page. So it's the basically the website sign up page, replica website sign up, basic sign up page. We can input our first name, last name, email, password, and mobile, and after input we can sign up the page. But this and after login we can see the login page, and after uh, giving the login criteria, suppose username and password, Imtiaz. That is the demo login criteria. I'm working on that. Trust.com and so here also the login with Facebook option, but Facebook login with Facebook option is login with Facebook for part is done from my side, but not connected with the server, so it's not working now. But after clicking login, the directly go to the success story feed. Success story feed is the demo feed. Still Imtiaz is working on the feed, and the API is not ready yet. But the feed it look like this is the uh, here the name of the name of the feed and the student, and is the feed portion, and here the like option and the comment option, and here is the menu where you can go through the profile or the leaderboard or the notification and the followers. So after clicking profile, we can go the own profile where here the picture of the student and the name and the trust score, and here the other option is the work online hour and the other portion, but this portion is not ready in our API, so I hide this post, and here the feed of the students own, not the public feed. So this feed of the student who what he posted and list of that, and other part is not done it because this is the just early part of the development process, and some part is developed but not connected to the app now. So that is from my part actually.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Imtiaz bhai, can you start your part?
Yes. Yes, I can start.
Okay. So let's carry on. Mahbub bhai, can you please stop your screen share?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, we are
Yes.
here.
Okay. I am Imtiaz, and I have to show you my platform too, which we working from almost 3 weeks, and from again. So the platform 2 is actually the whole system's UI part, and the new UI will be integrated, and some functionalities that are not integrated yet, which will be also integrated in that part. And almost all the things are used using APIs, and we have to build in APIs from our backend, and the front end part will be in AngularJS for showing the things more fast or like good. And now, uh, guys, can you show my can you see my screens? Uh, okay.
Uh, so
So
far, so far I can't see your screen. So
okay,
yes,
okay.
yes. Now it's
Now, okay. So here is the profile page. After a student sign up, he will go to the profile page, and this is the this would be the profile will be looped, and here is the student's name, is his image, and he will be changed by it. It can be changed by clicking on here, and also this is the learn history, how many hours he has learned, and what are the courses he has selected, and what courses he has completed. Also there will be a trust score part, but because of the design, it is an initial design, so the trust score part is not here actually, but we will show integrated it will integrate it shortly. And here is the student's profile part and the courses part. The profile part is the basic profile information of the student, and he can edit it from here, clicking here, and here he can input his details and it will save. And then this is the courses part, the courses what he has taken, the paid or the free courses, and if the courses has any test, so there will be the test, and if he clicks on the test, then it will take him to the tests what he has to take or what he has taken. So clicking on the personality test will show him the data, actually the test questions and answers, but we are still working on the online test version and the exam, so it is now under construction. And then the managed subscription part. The subscription part is actually the payments of his courses, the education fees. He has to give us in installment or in full amount or something else, and he can pay using the payment option. And the payment option is for Bangladesh. There are different payment options actually. So for Bangladesh, we only use Easy Payway, and it is still in integration mode. We have tested in our test sandbox, and it's quite going well. So we have to integrate in our platform too. But currently, we are only focused on our success stories. So it is postponed to 1 week later. We will do it. And for India or other countries or Kosovo or something else, we have to use PayPal or Stripe or something else. And this is the subscription part. And from the profile matrix is from his WhatsApp profile and others, and his learning parts, what he's earning, and it will be showing his graphs and etc etc. This is the referral part. The referral part is the link he will share in Google or Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn to show his progress, and the students to encourage to sign up and enroll in our courses. And this is all actually. And the learning center, the first part. And this is the learning center. The learning center is actually the courses we offered, and in clicking on the course view, it will take him to the courses detail page, and he has enrolled, and the descriptions are showing left on the window, and the description is showing on the middle. And if he clicks on the skills, then it will show him the skills, and then the topics, and then the topics under lessons, and introduction is the lesson. So here is the full part of the learning center part, and we have to integrate. This is almost all, mostly. And there is and the home page. This is the home page. And in the my profile, there is the some authentications part. The authentications part are like Pioneer, Twitter, and all everything is done right now. So if we click on the here, and then it will give you a pop-up about authentication transformation, and if you click oh yes, then it will take you to the Payoneer sign up portion. It's in sandbox mode, you can see, so it's in testing environment. So I will click. Then there is education part, and the, and education part can be it can be added education to new education or something like that. So the education part and the authentication part are mostly linked with the trust score we have built. So the trust score, you can for the trust score you can see here in our current platform, the trust score is here. This is the trust score here. So the whole thing is the same as like you see in the current platform. So mostly the view is changed. So we are working on to deploy it within this week, but it's a bit of a hell of a task about the online test. So it's quite difficult for us to deploy it. So hopefully we'll do it in the next week with the full features. So that's all from me.
Okay, I think from our Dhaka office, everyone have done with their job, and it was fantastic, great. So thank you guys for joining our demo session. So demo day was awesome, but it's still now it's incomplete because the last part was Geo for his Salesforce, but Geo is not here. He's not joining as a presenter, so I don't know where he is. Maybe Kyle knows, or he's in India so far I know. So we are ending our demo session, and maybe some other times Geo will hear from you for your sales forces and the things you are doing. We know that you are doing a fantastic job. So everything is recorded in YouTube, and the link I have already posted in our Slack common area. So you guys go through the link in any time, so you can see that everything is saved there as in CodersTrust channel. So bye bye guys. Have a great time, great day. Have a good day. Bye.